Hey everyone, I am Tim Keller.
And I'm Mike Keller. We want to welcome you to the HK Keller Real Estate and Auction family. We are absolutely thrilled that you're here.
Here at HK Keller, we are all about helping you feel confident and cared for throughout your entire real estate transaction with us. As a professional auction company and real estate brokerage, we have the expertise to share with you about many aspects of real estate.
For over 60 years, our team has been the trusted partner for families, businesses, and nonprofits, helping to sell their homes, commercial properties, estates, and all with total transparency, clear expectation, and reduced stress. Our mission is simple: to make the whole process straightforward and exciting and not overwhelming.
What can you expect on this channel? Loads of fun, helpful videos that dive into how auctions truly work, essential tips for buyers, sellers, and real estate agents, and answers to your biggest questions. We believe that when you're informed, you make the best decisions. We're here to help you. We're here to be your biggest cheerleader and your guide.
If selling is on your mind, we want to take you from the very first step all the way to the finish line. If you're looking to buy, we'll give you the inside scoop so you know what to expect and can bid with confidence. And if you're just exploring, we're here to share some insights and inspiration along the way.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss the next inside scoop of information, exciting market updates, and helpful hints. Seriously, if you ever have a question, reach out. Our team loves to help.
Thanks again for stopping by, and we can't wait to help you sell or buy your next property.